Hey everyone, and welcome to the Middle Kingdom Code, the channel dedicated to helping foreigners like you decipher life in China. So, you've got your visa, your flight is booked, you're practically ready to jump on that plane. But hold on a second, if you don't crack one essential code before you even land, you're going to be lost, frustrated, and you won't even be able to pay for a bottle of water. Trust me, it's a big deal. Today, I'm giving you the master key. This is your ultimate guide to mastering WeChat before you even step off the plane. It's the single most important digital skill you'll need for your entire trip, and by the end of this guide, you'll be set up for absolute success. First things first, let's reset your expectations. Forget everything you think you know about messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. WeChat is not just a messaging app. Oh no, WeChat is your entire phone, inside your phone. It's a super app, a digital ecosystem. Imagine if WhatsApp, PayPal, Facebook, Uber, Yelp, and even your government ID were all rolled into one seamless, powerful application. That's WeChat. You don't just use WeChat in China, you essentially live on it. Mastering it is truly the very first code you need to crack to unlock everything else. Alright, now that we understand the monumental importance of WeChat, your first mission, and I mean first asterisk, is to get this set up before you even get on that plane. Seriously, don't wait until you're there. Let's dive into the 3 non-negotiable setups for WeChat mastery. Step 1. Download and verification. Head to your home country's app store and download WeChat. Simple enough, right? Now, here's the most crucial step, the one that can be a real headache if you leave it to the last minute. Verification. To activate your account fully, you'll need an existing WeChat user, someone who's had their account for at least 6 months, to verify you. This is by far the biggest hurdle for newcomers, so please, clear this early. Reach out to any friends, acquaintances, or even online communities. Get that verification done before you travel. Step 2. WeChat Pay your digital wallet. This is the absolute game changer in China. Everything, and I mean everything runs on WeChat Pay. To set it up, go to Me, then Services, and then Wallet. Here's the catch. You need to link a bank card. While some foreign cards might work for small transactions, they are notoriously unreliable for everyday use. The best, most reliable solution is to open a Chinese bank account once you arrive. We'll decode that entire process in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed. Once you have a Chinese bank card linked, you can top up your wallet, and boom, you're ready to pay for literally everything, from street food to taxi rides, all with a quick scan. And step 3, your profile and QR code. Think of this as your new digital identity. Your personal QR code is your new business card, your social handshake. To exchange contacts in China, you don't awkwardly type out phone numbers, you simply scan each other's QR codes. It's fast, efficient, and everyone does it. Set up your profile, make sure it looks professional and friendly, and get comfortable with finding and sharing your QR code. This is your first step to looking like a seasoned pro in China. Okay, you're verified, your wallet is prepped, and your digital identity is sorted. Fantastic. Now let us dive into 5 essential features you'll find yourself using every single day to navigate life with ease. First up, scanning. This is your magic button for China. See that little plus sign in the top right corner? Tap it, then hit scan. This isn't just for adding friends. You'll scan QR codes to pay for your groceries, scan to hop on a shared bike, scan to access public Wi-Fi, even scan to translate menus at restaurants. Seriously, this is your most used tool, your remote control for daily life. Get familiar with it. Next, mini programs. These are apps within the app. Don't worry about cluttering your phone storage with dozens of different apps. WeChat hosts hundreds, even thousands, of mini programs. Just search for what you need. Need a taxi? Find the Didi mini program. Craving some delicious local food delivered to your door? Search for Me. They run seamlessly inside WeChat and are an absolute lifesaver for convenience. Third, official accounts, your information hub. Think of these like subscribing to your favorite websites or newsletters, but all within WeChat. You can follow official accounts for news updates, your country's embassy for important announcements, or even museums and tourist attractions for ticket bookings and event info. It's an incredibly efficient way to stay informed and connected. Fourth, WeChat Translate. This feature is pure magic. Long press on any Chinese text in a chat, and a menu will pop up. Tap, translate, and boom, instant translation. It's scarily accurate and will save you countless moments of confusion and misunderstanding. No more awkward moments trying to decipher messages. And finally, favorites and notes. Stay organized. You can save important addresses, phone numbers, or even screenshots of useful information in favorites. For quick access to things you use all the time, you can even pin a note to the top of your chats. This is how you keep your vital information at your fingertips, making your life so much smoother. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips to take you from a basic user to a WeChat master, and even some cultural etiquette to keep in mind. Red packets, or hongbao, during holidays, or even just for fun. People in China love to send digital red packets with money inside. It's a wonderful cultural tradition, a digital way of sharing good fortune. You'll definitely receive some, and it's always fun to send them back. Data usage. WeChat is amazing, but it can be data heavy, especially if you're streaming or using lots of mini programs. So, make getting a Chinese SIM card at the airport your very first priority once you land. It's absolutely essential for staying connected. And finally, security. While WeChat is generally safe, always be cautious of strangers adding you. Just like anywhere else in the world, scams can exist. If something feels off, it probably is. Trust your gut, and there you have it. You now know exactly how to master WeChat before you even land in China. You've cracked the first, and arguably the most important, code. With these setups and features under your belt, you are now equipped to not just survive, but to truly thrive, turning potential chaos into a seamless and exciting adventure. Here at the Middle Kingdom Code, we break down everything you need to know, from setting up a bank account to understanding cultural nuances you won't find in any guidebook. If this video helped you decode WeChat, please support our mission by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. Your subscription helps us continue to create content that makes your journey to China smooth and successful. Let us know in the comments below what other codes you need us to crack. Is it banking, transportation, or finding the best street food? We're always listening. Thanks so much for watching. Master your trip. We'll see you in the next video on the Middle Kingdom Code.